guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Khadijah, and if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Today's video is a sponsored video, and I'm working with Dossier Fragrance Company. I'm not sure if you guys have ever come across them. This is my first time being aware of this company when they reached out to me, so I was like, what is this? So I just knew that this collaboration was going to be great because, for one, it was new to me and I wanted to share it with you guys, since you guys may not have known of this company as well. So we will get into an unboxing of this video and give you guys an honest review, initial review, first, unboxing of this company's product. These are actually dupe fragrances for, other big name brand companies that have fragrances for ladies or men. I did choose, I believe, 2, so I will be again unboxing this for you guys on camera so you guys can see what I got, and let's see if they get the initial wow factor on this channel for you guys. So I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post bell notifications because you don't want to miss my videos, and I would greatly appreciate it as well. So stay tuned for the next following clips to see the unboxing. Alright, so guys, this is the box that the package is in. Again, everything's sealed up. I haven't opened anything, and I wanted to do an official unboxing with you. So I am going to be opening, I had to find my scissors, opening the box, and I can say the shipping was really fast. So if you guys do decide to purchase anything from him, you don't have to worry. Your tracking, everything will be updated immediately once they receive your order in this process. So that was a great thing for me, that I can say I know, dealing with what's going on in the world, a lot of things may be delayed. So that was a bonus to actually have fast shipping, and it was still standard. So unboxing. So guys, it is securely in here. And the boxes are in here. They're neatly placed in the box. I just want to turn it around for you guys. Turn it in. So the boxes look like this, and I'm sorry if you guys can't see because of the light. So this one that I ended up choosing is the Fruity Magnolia, and there it goes. Let's see how it looks. And the inside of the box that says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So they don't try to charge you or overcharge you for pricing for these fragrances as well. So this is a blessing that there's companies like this out here that's willing to not, take advantage of your pockets for smell goods. So I did receive a card. It fell in for you guys, but this is more so the description of the fragrance that I chose. And the Fruity Magnolia is basically, it is inspired by the Versace Bright Crystal. I love that scent. It smells really good. I always buy it from my mom, so it smells amazing. But I said, let me give this a try, and if it smells anything close to it, then I'm like, it's gonna be A1 in my book. So it does state here that on this card, it states, any scent that you order comes with a sample that you can test before opening the full-size 50 ml bottle. Don't like the sample? Just return the package with the 50 ml bottle and you will get a full refund. Returns are free, no questions asked. So this should be a great opportunity for someone who wants to give this company a try, simply because you basically know that you're gonna get your money back. That's guaranteed. And they give you a sample with the purchase. So like, I feel like it's a win-win. Like, this is a win. Like, the sample's right here. And again, I'm gonna do as the papers say, try the sample, and if I don't like it, return it. But I know I'm gonna like it because they said it's pretty close. So we're gonna, okay, I'm gonna shake it up a little bit, and I want you guys to see I'm gonna spray Okay, guys, this is dead on the money. Dead on the money for the Versace Bright Crystal. My mom has some in her room right now, and it smells like I just sprayed it out her bottle. So that is a 10. They definitely got that on the head. And the next fragrance that I did pick up on here was the Lorenzo Vanilla. Again, this is similar, so this is coming with a sample as well. You guys, it's lingering. This is how you know this is that good. It's that good. So similar thing is coming with the same ideal information, just letting you know what's going on here. And I'm gonna try another sample. I'm gonna spray on this hand, shake it up pretty good. This one smells good too. I'm not even spraying it yet. It smells good. I'm like, I'm really okay. Let's see. Let's shake it up. And let it soak up in my skin. Okay, these are definitely great choices. So if you guys have not heard of this company, I strongly suggest that you guys check them out and give them a shot. I feel like there is no hassle with working with this company. They're going to give you your money back if you're just completely unhappy, but I highly doubt that you guys are going to be unhappy. So we're not even going to put that thought in our head if you do purchase from them, because they're bomb. So you don't have to go breaking the bank to buy perfume, and you want to smell good. You can smell good for the low. Get these dupes. That's all I'm saying. Get the dupes. Get them. I don't know what else to say, guys. Like, the scents speak for themselves. Like, they smell good. Like, you walk in the room, you're gonna turn some heads in a good way. In a good way. They're like, what is you wearing? Excuse me, what you wearing? That's what they're gonna be asking. So I strongly suggest you guys check them out, and definitely leave your feedback below if you do purchase anything, so that I can see that I recommended something really good for you guys. So I want you guys to smell good too. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notifications. You do not want to miss my videos. And I want you guys to know that I appreciate you checking out my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. Stay safe.